Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. I've here the all new iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this video I'm going to unbox and review it. So let's get started. So inside I have the desert titanium color. So on the side it says iPhone, and at the top you have the Apple logo in the same color as the phone itself. It comes in 4 different colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and the new desert titanium. The price starts at $1,199 for an iPhone with 256 GB storage. You also have the 512 GB and 1 TB variants. So on the back of the box it says iPhone 16 Pro Max, and right here it says desert titanium 256 GB. So the wait is over. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open it. There you go. As you open, the first thing you notice is the color. It doesn't really have the color that was advertised by Apple, which looked more gold, and here it has a subtle pinkish undertone. I absolutely love this color. This reminds me of iPhone XS and iPhone 11 gold versions, which had a similar color tone on the back. But the iPhone XS had a glass back which was prone to break easily. I usually go with black or white color. Last year I got the natural titanium, but this year I wanted to try the new color. On the sides you have this matte finish kind of gold titanium frame which looks so smooth. Let me remove the sticker. Overall, the phone looks like the previous version, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So there are some differences which we will discuss later. So here is the USB-C charging cable, just the same as what you get with iPhone 15. It's braided and looks more premium and durable. Here you also have a SIM eject tool. Let's see what else we have got inside the box. Here is the paperwork. Previously it used to come in a paper pouch. Now you have a plastic sticker wrapped around it. Just open it. It's actually reduced in size and the quantity of the papers. So the shape looks more like the dynamic island. Probably the inspiration comes from there. So that's all you get inside the box. As expected, there is no charging brick inside. Now Apple has also removed the Apple sticker as part of its initiative to go carbon neutral by 2030. Let's go back to the iPhone. On the back you have the same camera setup as the previous version. Here you have a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens, and down here 48 megapixel telephoto lens and the 12 megapixel zooming lens. Over here you have the flash and LiDAR sensor. The back of the phone just looks like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You get 5 times optical zoom here and digital zoom up to 25 times. On the left you get the customizable action button. This can be customized to enable silent mode or launch voice memo or camera or even your favorite app. Down here you have the volume rockers, and further down you have the SIM card tray. If your phone is a US version, you will not have the SIM card tray. Down here you have the microphone cutouts and the speaker cutouts and the USB-C charging port. On the right you have the usual power button, and few inches down here you have the new camera control. It's a physical button that can be pressed, and it's also a touch sensitive capacitive control. So this is how it compares next to an iPhone 15 Pro Max. The camera arrangement looks the same. The form factor of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is slightly larger, and as you can see, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is slightly taller, and the titanium side frame of the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a polished look compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max that has a brushed look. Also, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a slightly larger display and a small bezel. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is bigger and has a smaller bezel to screen ratio. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with iOS 18 preloaded. So iOS 18 provides some cool customization features and animations to your iPhone. Some features include dark mode for home screen icons and static color selections. You also get a customizable control center. You can add new shortcuts. There are also some other cool features such as the ability to time your iMessage and the ability to lock your apps or hide your apps using the Face ID. The standout features of this year's iPhones are the camera control and Apple Intelligence, their answer to AI. Unfortunately, the Apple Intelligence was not ready in time for the launch, so the phones were shipped without this feature. However, this feature will be available for public later this year with the iOS 18.1 update. The camera control is the new physical button added to the iPhone for quick camera access and functionality. Pressing this button launches the camera app, and pressing it again captures a photo. If you press and hold the button, it starts recording a video until you release it. This button is also capacitive, meaning that applying light pressure activates the zoom function. Sliding left or right allows you to zoom in and out. It may feel a bit tricky at first, but it will take some time to get used to it. And double pressing the button with light pressure brings up the additional camera settings such as exposure, depth, camera modes, styles, and tone. And double pressing them again activates these options, and swiping lets you toggle between the options. I can choose between color tones here, and when I double press again it will go back to the same settings. In here I can swipe and move to select other options. Another exciting feature in the new camera settings is the styles option, which lets you color grade your photo live even before taking it. Normally this is done during the post-production, but now you can preview different color combinations in real time, offering you more control over the photo you capture. Take a look at this. We all know that iPhone 15 offers 4K at 60 FPS, but now with iPhone 16 Pro Max, it supports 4K at 120 FPS, which is fantastic for capturing ultra-smooth slow motion footage. Not just that, so once you have captured your video, so let me do this here. Okay, and if you go to preview, tap on edit and tap on this button at the top, you can select the playback speed from here. This is amazing and thoughtful. Otherwise I have to transfer this to my computer or put it into a video editing app and get it done. Now I don't have to do that. I found this case and the screen protector for this iPhone. Yes, this is not a sponsored video, I paid for it. ESR is one of the reliable brands for iPhone accessories. Also their prices are very reasonable. This case with the screen protector can be purchased on Amazon for just $16, and the quality of the case is really good. So if you have a MagSafe car charger, you can just drop the phone on it, and the magnet is really strong. You can check out their products on Amazon. They have other products like MagSafe chargers and power banks and other accessories. So if you're wondering how to use the camera control with the case on, you don't have to worry about it. The cases now have a cutout that gives you access to the camera control. Should you update to iPhone 16 Pro Max? I would say no if you already have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, unless the camera control and 4K at 120 FPS features are crucial for you. There aren't significant changes beyond this, as Apple Intelligence is also supported on iPhone 15 Pro Max. But if you're using an iPhone 13 series or older, then this upgrade might be worth considering. You'd gain a lot of new features such as Apple Intelligence, improved camera, USB-C charging port, dynamic island, a customizable action button, slightly larger display, and more. Ultimately, the choice is yours if the upgrade feels worth it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and please do subscribe to the channel if you like to see more videos like this.